welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be about the exam week kind of a video. Not week, probably I'll show 1 or 2 days because it's probably the same routine repeating again and again. So exams are on 19th Jan. Guys, I'm recording the video, so you need to keep quiet. So yeah, our exams are 19th January. Today is 8th of Jan. So we approximately have like 10 days to prepare, and kind of pressurizing because huge portion to cover. And so yeah, we are going for a walk right now. 7:25 guys, and we woke up at 4 o'clock. We studied, and now we are going for walking. Guys, look at the scenery outside. Lovely, lovely morning. Cloudy, it's cloudy. Oh god, Preeti, what just happened? गाइस दोनों के फोन गिर गए, बस ऐसे ही उड़ी मारते रहते हैं लोग यहाँ वहाँ बस. गाइस लुक एट द सीनरी, इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत सारे ट्रीज बढ़ गए हैं, एक्चुअली बहुत बड़े हो गए, ये बहुत छोटे थे पहले, तो अच्छा लग रहा है अब. ऋतिका कंप्लीटली इन्वॉल्व वॉकिंग में बस. फूल फेंक रही है गाइस मेरे पे. ऋतिका मैं पे फेंकेंगी तो देखो, मतलब फूल पे फूल फेंका था, क्या करे. So guys, it's 9:30 right now. We had our breakfast. For breakfast we had pav bhaji today, and yeah, I know you guys are waiting for the mess video, but I think I'll probably shoot after the exams are done. So yeah, now I'm studying biochemistry. You can see all the books scattered here. Rutika went for her journal checking. Yes, we have our journal checkings during the preparatory leave time. It becomes really frustrating to just go and stand in a huge line and get your journals corrected. But yeah, journal corrections are equally important. So today Rutika went for checking. Probably tomorrow, day after tomorrow, my checking is there. So yeah, 8 days for the exam. And by the way, my hairs are oiled guys, that's why I'm looking a little weird in this 2 braids. First thing I love to do in the morning guys, drink some hot, not hot really, it's warm water. Same Rutika. We roommates have really do certain things similar. Early in the morning taking snaps. What is so crazy about snaps, Preeti?
I don't know, this is my first snap I'm sending you.
Oh my god. Could you hear the chirping of birds? Very relaxing in the morning. guys, we just had our lunch, and this video is mostly about the frame lapse thing happening because obviously I'm not shooting much because obviously we're studying right now. And yeah, we just had our lunch and we are going to sleep for an hour and a half.
Have a power nap.
No, it's not power nap
Nice.
actually. We sleep for 1 to 1.5 hours because
Then you'll be
obviously
fresh.
brain needs rest. So yeah, we got up at 4 o'clock, studied till 8, and then we had for breakfast, and then around 9:30 we again
Taught each other the topics they had
Topics,
read
yeah.
earlier, and
till 12:30 we continued the same thing, and then we went for lunch, and now we're back. We're going to have a little sleep thing, and
our brain is exhausted a little, and now it needs a sleep.
yes. So guys, only 3 days to go for our exams. Actually, 2.
2 days
Yeah,
from
because
tomorrow.
today is from
And
tomorrow.
we are super nervous
Frustrated.
and frustrated, and
This is a period which is so much frustrating, irritating. I mean, you don't feel like doing anything, but you have to do because there's no option. and
if you don't do, you will regret it.
yes, afterwards you're gonna regret that. And no matter how much you study, you just feel like that's not up to the mark. That's what just happening to us. Colleges are there because you get
They have taught us online
yeah.
and are
Online
expecting
classes.
our exams offline.
So
That's the most frustrating thing.
yeah, that's happening. So right now it's been 15 days, I guess. We are getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and still
At
we
12.
have that sense of nervousness. Ritika was a little emotional today because she was tired. She was hell tired. She was like, enough of this repeating.
I just want to finish all this and
Yeah. So yeah, no matter how much you do, how much you study, you just last moment you feel like you're not done with anything.
you're
That-
gonna fail.
Yeah. no, I don't think we're gonna fail, but yeah, that's a little thing happening right now. Just
We are
wanna-
tense. We are tense. We are frustrated. We are done for this life now.
It like we're just waiting to pass this phase and just enjoy. Guys, finally tomorrow are our exams. Today is 18th Jan. So we are going to college right now to get our admit cards. Yes, they are giving us at the last moment. So yeah. Ritika, what's your feeling right now?
धक धक करने लगा.
Actually, we are feeling more nervous because actually we didn't give exams like for a year. I think we gave our first semester in December, and then all the exams were online. So yeah, that's the reason.
So finally, tomorrow is our last paper.
So yeah, this week was such a horrible week.
It was very stressed.
I mean, I have to like expand and tell you guys what do
We cried every day.
literally we cried,
every day. We were tense every day. We were feeling lonely, and all the kind of stress were on our mind. It was
Such
very
a stressful, like literally I never thought for myself that I would be stressed this much, because the palpitations were so high that I could really
Yeah,
hear
yeah.
them outside. It was
We were nervous.
nervous, so much nervous, because it was a completely disorganized thing
Yeah.
happening in our lives.
Our mental health deteriorated very much.
Very well. I mean, we cried every day,
Every day.
every single day. There was not a single. In one single day, we
Yeah.
had literally put ton of information in our head
We
that
just opened our head and
we just started putting in it.
like a garbage bin, we were putting that things in it. But it was very stressful for us.
Very
Our brain was very exhausted. And without our parents around, because we need someone
To share and someone to talk.
and someone to stress our things out.
De-stress our
Ah.
things. So yeah, it was a mixed thing. I hope this phase
Yeah.
never ever
Never
comes
comes
in
in
our
our
life, because it was such a horrible phase. I think if things were organized like from the very beginning, our revisions were done, and
And the COVID thing didn't happen.
Yeah,
It
then
would be
it-
like
yeah.
okay thing. We could have done
we
it.
would have a lot of revisions in our college as well, and because the lectures were only not proper,
and our studies were again, they were like, you have to be completely exam oriented, and what we have studied in lockdown was completely like a conceptual orientation thing happening, and this was exam oriented.
Exam oriented. We needed the facts only for the
we just
marks.
read and gave the paper. I don't know what we did, but yeah, the papers were okay thing happening. And anatomy paper was such an odd paper. Oh my god, because anatomy was like, our preparation was good enough.
Yeah, we had given most of the days for preparation of anatomy,
right.
and it was the weirdest paper we had ever read.
Like physiology and biochemistry, we were like, okay, like 50% of the thing happened, but in anatomy we were expecting good marks, and the paper was such an odd paper, like, oh my god.
And they even told us that you are the COVID batch.
And we thought our paper would be a little simpler, but no. Literally,
not
not even a single question was... Not even single question repeated from the last years, or not even from the important ones, which was only brachial plexus, the only one question which was easy.
It was the only relief for us finishing the paper.
Or else questions from neuroanat, from nerves, and all the questions which were so typical, like odd.
But it was good.
Yeah, but like passing the whole guy, like that's the
Passing
only...
in MBBS there is only passing thing.
Yeah.
Pass ho ja bas.
Was very frustrating. Yeah, all night we used to stay and study and try to complete a portion. That was the thing.
But now tomorrow is our last paper.
Tomorrow is the last paper, and oh my god, the preparation is good enough.
Good enough.
Yeah. Like,
finally, the preparation is like we have done something.
Yeah, because this time we used to cry daily. Like past days we used to cry, but this is the only day we are not crying, or we are like chilled and relaxed, because our preparation is good enough for tomorrow's paper. So yeah, and I'll be shooting what we are going to do after examination, and I'll be posting.
We are going to dance and have fun.
So yeah, but practicals are not over, guys. But we have gap in practicals, so I think it's a chill thing happening. But theory, yeah, my god, was very frustrating. So yeah, stay tuned for the vlogs coming up.